Hi, welcome to Perfect Competition, Unit 6.3. A perfectly competitive firm chooses the output that maximizes its economic profit. One way to find the profit maximizing output is to look at the firm's total revenue and total cost curves. Figure on the next slide looks at these curves along with the firm's total profit curve. Part A shows the total revenue TR curve, meaning the blue straight line. Part A also shows the total cost curve TC. Total revenue minus total cost is economic profit or loss, shown by the curve EP in part B. At low output levels, the firm incurs an economic loss. It can't cover its fixed cost. At intermediate output levels, the firm makes an economic profit. At high output levels, the firm again incurs an economic loss. Now the firm faces steeply rising costs because of diminishing returns. The firm maximizes its economic profit when it produces 9 sweaters a day. Marginal analysis and supply decision. The firm can use marginal analysis to determine the profit maximizing output. Because marginal revenue MR is constant and marginal cost MC eventually increases as output increases, profit is maximized by producing the output at which marginal revenue equals marginal cost. MR equal MC. Figure on the next slide shows the marginal analysis that determines the profit maximizing output. If MR more than MC, economic profit increases if output increases. If MR less than MC, economic profit decreases if output increases. If MR equal MC, economic profit decreases if output changes in either direction, so economic profit is maximized. Temporary shutdown decision. If the firm makes an economic loss, it must decide whether to exit the market or to stay in the market. If the firm decides to stay in the market, it must decide whether to produce something or to shut down temporarily. The decision will be the one that maximizes the firm's loss. Loss comparisons. The firm's loss equal total fixed cost plus total variable cost minus total revenue. In equation, economic loss equal TFC plus TVC minus TR. Equal TFC plus AVC minus P times Q. If the firm shuts down, Q is 0 and the firm still has to pay its TFC. So the firm incurs an economic loss equal to TFC. This economic loss is the largest that the firm must bear. The shutdown point. A firm's shutdown point is the price and quantity at which it is indifferent between producing the profit maximizing quantity and shutting down. The shutdown point is at minimum AVC, average variable cost. This point is the same point at which the MC curve crosses the AVC curve. At the shutdown point, the firm is indifferent between producing and shutting down temporarily. At the shutdown point, the firm incurs a loss equal to total fixed cost. Figure on this slide shows the shutdown point. Minimum ABC is $17 a sweater. At $70 a sweater, the profit maximizing output is 7 sweaters a day. The firm incurs a loss equal to the red rectangle. If the price of a sweater is between $70 and $20.14, the firm produces the quantity at which marginal cost equal price. The firm covers all its variable cost and some of its fixed cost. It incurs a loss that is less than TFC. The firm's supply curve. A perfectly competitive firm supply curve shows how the firm's profit maximizing output varies as the market price varies. Other things remain the same. Because the firm produces the output at which marginal cost equals marginal revenue, and because marginal revenue equals price, the firm's supply curve is linked to its marginal cost curve. But at a price below the shutdown point, the firm produces nothing. Figure on this slide shows how the firm's supply curve is constructed. If price equals minimum AVC, means $70 a sweater, the firm is indifferent between producing nothing and producing at the shutdown point T. If the price is $25 a sweater, the firm produces 9 sweaters a day, the quantity at which P equal MC. If the price is $31 a sweater, the firm produces 10 sweaters a day, the quantity at which P equal MC. The blue curve in part B traces the firm's short-run supply curve. That's all for Unit 6.3. Thank you.